Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, as you know, we completed Unit 1 of our reading book. Now we're going to be moving on to Unit 2. Now, as you know, while we were doing Unit 1, there was a bit of a challenge with vocabulary words. And you observe it, I observe it. So, before we start Unit 2, we're going to work on a model that we're going to implement now in order to help us with our vocabulary. So whenever we see a word that we don't understand, we're going to add it to this model and practice it, okay? This model is called the Frayer Model. What is it called?
The Frayer Model.
Now, this is a model with 4 parts. It has 4 parts, and in the middle, you will put the word that you might be struggling with or you might find that you don't really understand. Now, I'm going to model it to you. Now, in this unit, Unit 2, we're going to encounter these words. And I want you to know them and understand them. So, remember you have the text of Unit 2. You have it on your tablets. And I actually put the pages where you can actually find these words. Now, I am going to demonstrate to you how you can use the Frayer model, which we're going to be using. You're going to be even using it at home. Whenever you see a word, you're going to find that word and put it in these parts. So first thing I am going to do, I am going to work on one of these words. So I am going to read this sentence, or these sentence says from the passage that I found. The sun seemed hotter and the days stretched longer. The vibrant colors of the flowers appeared to fade slightly. Now, on my list, I also see vibrant. I see the word vibrant. So I'm going to underline the word vibrant. I wonder what the word vibrant means. Let me read it again. The vibrant colors of the flowers appeared to fade. Let me read the sentence before. The sun seemed hotter and the days stretched longer. The sun seemed hotter. The vibrant colors of the flowers appeared to fade. I think the word vibrant means bright, colorful, fade away. Okay, I am going to create a Frayer model for this. I'm going to put a shape for the middle. It can be any shape you like. It could be a circle. Then I'm going to put a line going up. Then I'm going to put a line going down. Then I'm going to put a line going to this side. And then a line going here. Is it clear?
Yes.
So let's count the parts we have. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4. Excellent. Now, I am going to add my word to the center because this word is what I'm going to explore. Okay? So I'm going to add the word to the center, vibrant. I added the word to the center. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to focus on 4 parts for this word. And the parts that we're going to focus on in this class is what I think you need to work on. So for one part, I am going to have definitely the meaning. So I'm going to write here meaning or definition. So I'm going to have that. So this part will tell me the meaning of the word and or the definition. Another thing I'm going to have is sentence. I want a sentence. This could go anywhere on your chart. Sentence or sentences. So I'm going to put if I want to write just 1 or 2 sentences. All right. Then for the word, I'm going to need the non-example. Non-example, it doesn't relate to the word, or antonyms. So I'm going to put antonyms. Words that are what?
Similar.
The opposite.
The opposite. Words that are opposite in meaning. And then we're going to look at, so non-examples. And we're also going to look at examples, which are
Synonyms.
very good. We're going to look at synonyms. And synonyms means words that are
Similar.
similar in meaning. All right? So we're clear. So I can decorate. We're also going to create a picture. And I know that some of you love to draw, so you will be exploring. So the picture should help you to understand or depict the word. Is that clear?
Yes.
All right. So as you saw, I used context clue to figure out the meaning of the word. So now I can go and write the meaning. But before I do that, I want to use my dictionary. I want to use my dictionary to clarify the meaning of the word. So I'm going to look in my dictionary for the word. So I said the word vibrant means colorful, bright. Now I'm using my dictionary to make sure that it means that. So I'm making sure that what I was thinking, or I predicted, or I use context clue, I'm going to verify it in the dictionary. Is that clear? So it is also important to check the dictionary to see if what you thought was the meaning is correct. So I'm using my dictionary. All right. And in the dictionary, it says full of energy and life, bright and colorful. So I can write it. So full of energy and life, bright and colorful. All right, that's my meaning there. So I put my meaning. Now I want to write a sentence with my word. So I'm going to write a sentence here. Plants. And then I think I want to underline the word in the sentence. So I'm going to underline it. There. All right. Now remember, I told you that we could also have antonyms, but I want us to focus on pictures for this one, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Mikhail?
Yes.
All right, so before I go to my picture, I'm going to look at words that are similar or examples. Full of life or radiant. Radiant. All right, so those are my synonyms or examples. All right, now I'm going to draw my picture. So I'm putting in my colors to let it look bright and colorful. All right. So here is my picture. All right, so we have how many parts? We have 4 parts. And this is my example of my Frayer model. Do you understand? Okay, great. Now, you're going to be doing the word. Let's read this word.
Corporation.
Corporation. All right. Let us go to page 8. We're going to read that sentence with the word corporation. So we're going to read that sentence with the word corporation. And that is on page 8. So just scroll down. Read that sentence for me, please.
Today, we celebrate not just our beautiful garden, but the spirit of cooperation and care that has transformed our home, she announced.
Wow. And corporation. So, what do you think that word means?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Wow. Coming back to what this unit will be about. Okay, so now, yes,
Working together.
working together. All right, so you're going to create your Frayer model now. You're going to spend some time creating your Frayer model and creating these parts. Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. Oh, wow, great. Now, we're not going to stop this. We're going to keep it going. We're going to build our vocabulary. We're going to be using these words in everyday life. We're going to use them at home. We're going to use them on the playground. We're going to use them everywhere to build our vocabulary, because if your vocabulary is strong, your reading comprehension skill will also be
Strong.
All right, share with us what you have, Mikhail.
So this is cooperation. The meaning is the action or process of working together to the same end, and it is a noun. The sentence I created is: the animation studio had a good cooperation on their last film. Examples of synonyms are teamwork, together, and this is the picture.
That's nice. I like that.
Wow, I like the picture. All right, well, did this help you to understand the word cooperation more? Is it going to help you?
Yes.
And you can go to it every day and read through these. Makai, what do you have?
Cooperation, the meaning, a situation in which you work together with someone or do what they ask you. Synonyms are work together, teamwork, joint action. This is my picture.
Oh, wow. Wow. You're really working together. I like it. All right. Excellent job. Give me a high five. Woo! That was amazing.